What if America's AI future wasn't shaped by safety rules, but by speed, scale, and a fight against woke AI? That's exactly what President Donald Trump is pushing as he unveils his long-awaited AI action plan in Washington, his first major AI address since returning to office. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. This plan replaces Biden's AI executive order, which focused on bias and safety. Trump scrapped it within days, arguing it slowed innovation. Since then, his administration has backed the multi-billion-dollar Stargate data center, lifted restrictions on NVIDIA's chip sales, and made clear its goal. American AI should dominate the global market. The strategy rests on three pillars. First, infrastructure. Streamlining permits for data centers and modernizing the U.S. power grid to meet AI's massive energy needs. Second, innovation. Blocking state AI laws to reduce barriers for companies, even if that means fewer safety standards. And third, global influence. Ensuring U.S. models and chips set the standard against rivals like China's DeepSeek and Qwen. But not everyone agrees. Over 90 groups have launched a People's AI Action Plan, warning Trump's roadmap puts corporate and energy interests ahead of workers, families, and communities. Another flashpoint is Trump's crackdown on woke AI. A new executive order will force federal contractors like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic to prove their chatbots are politically neutral. Supporters say it ensures fairness. Critics argue it puts government in charge of defining bias, raising major free speech questions. Meanwhile, big tech is lobbying hard. Companies want protections to train on copyrighted content under fair use, and Meta is pushing for open-source models. Universities and nonprofits, however, fear being sidelined as corporate labs take the lead. Bottom line, Trump's AI roadmap is about acceleration, global power, and political battles, not caution. And it could define America's role in the AI race for years to come. Watch the related video in the corner for more context on AI's global competition. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.